Welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a quick and tasty snack recipe, Corn Aloo Tikki. It's crispy on the outside, soft inside, and perfect to serve with chutney or tomato sauce. For this recipe, you'll need 2 boiled corns, 2 to 3 boiled potatoes, 5 to 6 green chilies, 10 to 12 garlic cloves, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, fresh coriander, oil, cumin seeds. Let's begin. Add boiled corn, green chilies, garlic, and grind them into a coarse paste. In a large plate, mash the boiled potatoes, and add corn paste, salt, rice flour, add cumin seeds and coriander. Mix everything well into a smooth mixture. To shape the tikkis, dip your hand slightly in the water so that the mixture doesn't stick to your hands. Take a small portion of mixture and shape it. I have made them round and flat. Now heat some oil in a pan. Once it's hot, place the tikkis on medium flame. Cook until they turn golden brown on one side, then flip and cook on the other side. That's it. Our crispy and delicious corn aloo tikkis are ready. Serve them hot with green chutney or tomato sauce. Do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy recipes. See you next time. Bye.